Well, it's back to work and we've got so much going on over these next few weeks. It's so nice when we're at this point when there's so much happening everywhere because we can move along with so many jobs. So I'm going to be starting to get into the bathroom. We need to get this sorted, we need to get it finished off now and start looking at the finishing details on it so Terry can look at the coving that's going to go around the top. I need to finish grouting the shower and we can fix the pieces in, and what that also means is then we can get the panel back on here that we're sick of seeing off. We can get all the shower heads and everything in and then water test it, which is going to be the fun bit, to make sure that we've done the job properly and make sure that we have sealed it, which is going to be exciting. So that'll be the next week or so. And coming into the salon in the 401 now, we asked you guys last time what your favourite room was. I think we were all quite surprised that this was unanimously people's favourite. So it's such a simple design, but it is so beautifully elegant as well. And when you see the pieces that are going to be in it, like the settee that needs just a little bit of work to clean it up and bring it back to its former glory. It's been sat in the barn for the last 3 years. So we've got Auntie Paula back and she's amazing with these sort of things. So she's going to have a look at this, get some of the beautiful gilboys on it, get all the wood back up to its beautiful colours, give the fabric a good steam clean as well, so that you can see this beautiful detail on it. It is genuinely the perfect settee for this room, so we can see where Terry's thought process has come with it. There's also going to be loads more going on. So Paula's going to be working on more bits of the furniture, whether it be the wardrobes or the beds that we've got to go in the rooms. Terry's going to be looking at gilding, bless him. Now, he's still got quite a little bit to do. And we know where Terry is because the swear words, because it's not his favourite job. Needs to be done and he does an amazing job with it, so it's going to be looking good. So there'll be gilding going on in both the wood room and in the blue room. I think they're going to look at the panelling around the door as well, but around the new front door that had gone in. Obviously there was a lot of damaged panels and Tracy's done an amazing job restoring the old wood panels so that we can put it back up and it's going to look beautiful again, just to have a job finished down there and something ticked off as completely done. So that'll be nice. I'm going to get in the bathroom and get some work done, so we better crack on. Let's go.
So what started off as a light job, which was panel work to get all of this boxed in, has turned into cutting in half the Chateau off and taking the ceiling down, which is due to you.
It wasn't me. You said it.
That's to take a little bit down.
Oh yeah. And then I said we may as well take it all down.
So our next job that we're on with now is Mum's done a fantastic job with all these panels. I actually thought that they were going to
Go in the bin.
go in the bin and we're going to have to get all new ones made. But luckily, Mum's got them all together. So our first one is to get this corner part in where the radiator goes, and then that's the return for where the door goes. And then we need to start piecing it all together bit by bit, don't we?
Yep. Luckily you know where it goes because I don't have a clue.
Yeah. So we'll start getting all this on, and then obviously we've got the coving to go in and all the other little bits. And then we'll have a nice new
Yeah.
door.
It's going to be lovely to see that done though, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
You know, because now the door's in, but the walls are bare, so it's not appreciating the door as much, is it? But
No.
once they go in, it's going to look amazing.
Yeah, to get it all boxed in.
Yeah.
And obviously all of the metal work's done for the second door.
Yep.
So in the next couple of weeks, hopefully that'll arrive and we can crack on with that.
2 doors.
2 doors.
That close.
I know.
Properly.
And lock. Can't believe it. Obviously, while we've been working, I've been going in and out the new door just because we can.
Because it's new.
Yeah. So we'll crack on now, getting these in and see how they go on. Because obviously we've got the wood panel, we can't actually screw it. So we're going to have to put nails in. So we're going to have to be quite careful, aren't we, Mum?
Very careful, because it is still brittle.
Yeah. So we'll see what we can get done and go from there.
We've
Yeah,
taken it
we'll just
this
take it
way.
out like this. And then we can stand it up.
Right, so you
Yeah, it's steady.
well, that was mine. Yeah.
It's stuck on the beam.
Oh, it's going to have to go on the beam first. You straighten it up, go on the beam first.
That's all right now. Right, now bring your end around. And try to get that over the pipe. Is that all right there?
Yeah.
Right, get up to the top there now. Yeah, that one, yeah. And then that'll tell us how far we can put that back in.
Yeah.
Yes. I'll hold this one up and then if you can get that side one, unless
Yeah.
you can hold this up.
Yeah. Whichever seat.
Well, that's us done for today. So plenty of jobs been going on. Obviously Paula's been busy with all of the furniture, so she's getting through it, bless her. It's a massive amount. Obviously we're going over 2 coats with wax, so we're going over with the Libron, and then we're using the Gilboys to give us that nice sheen, what we've been using throughout the whole room, and the Chateau as well. And she's been loving using the brush from Gilboys as well, which is fantastic. Just helps ease, obviously polishing all the wax off, and just gives you a better finish as well. So if you're interested in any of those, check the link in the description and you'll be able to get 10% off on all of the Gilboys stuff, which is just fantastic. But while she's been busy with that, I've been busy with the fireplace, and the fireplace is just looking fantastic now. Absolutely love just getting those extra bits of gold on it, just to highlight the centre part, and then just having that little trim down the side just finishes it off. So don't worry, that's all the gold that's going to be for this room. We're not going to be adding any more in it. I think it's got quite enough now, but it's just nice to get that finished off. So now that's done, Paula, like I said, she's on with the furniture. Once that's done, we can actually get this room set up and get it as a finished room really, which is just going to be fantastic to get a full room finished. And then obviously, bless her, she's on with the sofa as well. So we've got the sofa here for the salon, and she's just gone over steam cleaning that. And then once she's finished the furniture for the wood room, she'll be able to crack on with getting all of the wax on this and getting all this polished up. And then we'll be able to look at getting this room set up, barring changing that, which we're still trying to get sorted out with. But Ash has been busy in the bathroom as well. So he's got all of the grout in and it's looking fantastic. Just getting it all sort of uniform and finished now. And he's went with a resin grout. So obviously it won't let any of the water in and rot the tiles or anything like that. So hopefully it's going to last a lot longer. But now that's done, we need to crack on with the rest of the room and get that finished. So look at what design we're going to do in here. And I've got something quite exciting for the top here. Obviously the shower's really big, so we want to do something quite unusual up there as well. And I think this room's going to be quite similar to what we're doing in the salon, same sort of style-ish. Not having the wallpaper obviously, but that sort of style of the Louis XVI, but going for more of like a refined look. So yeah, it'll be nice. And then bless Mum, she's been busy, hard at it, doing the panels downstairs around the door, which look absolutely fantastic. To get the door finally boxed in again, it just looks amazing. So massive well done for her getting that done, because it's a job that I didn't really want to do, and she's took it on, bless her, and she's just done fantastic. So it's all back together. We've got one panel left to go on the top, and then that's that all completely done. And once Paddy gets the other door done, we can do the same on the other side. So yeah, that's us done for today. Hope you've enjoyed today's episode. Obviously there's plenty of stuff going on, and it's the exciting part now because the rooms are starting to really come together. So hope you stay tuned for the next couple of videos, because it's just so exciting, and we'll see you in the next one. So see you soon. Bye. If you'd like to be part of our journey and help restore the Chateau, then please join us on Patreon, where you'll be part of our journey, receive a piece of the history, and get exclusive videos.